A strong friendship doesn't need daily conversation. It doesn't always need togetherness. As long as the relationship lives in the heart, true friends will never part. According to a study, most people hate their own voice on video or on a dot phone call. When you fully trust someone without any doubt, you finally get one of two results: a person for life or a lesson for life. When you're single, all you see is happy couples. When you're committed, all you see is happy singles. A person who is truly invested in a relationship will go to great lengths to keep the one they love, even in tough situations. There's something incredibly wild about a woman deeply in love, especially when she's in the midst of having fun with you. When a man is struggling with self-hate, it's often the woman who loves him who feels the impact of his inner turmoil. A healthy relationship allows you to move on from past arguments, so they don't define the present or future. Emotional maturity in love means you care deeply about someone, but you don't pressure them to feel the same in return. The ability to reply to silly questions with humor or sarcasm is a sign of a quick-thinking, healthy mind. When you find someone who truly understands you, hold on to them. When you find someone worthy of your trust, cherish them. Life's choices aren't always clear-cut, but avoid making decisions out of impulse. You never know what may backfire. As women mature, their desires shift. It's not just about physical attraction, but finding a man who can truly love, support, and be there for them. Always lean into the choice that challenges you, because that's where the real growth happens. Everyone has imperfections. If you're always avoiding people for their small mistakes, you'll end up isolating yourself. Choose kindness and love more freely. Fun fact, in Russia there are approximately 9 million more women than men. If you truly understood the number of men she turned down just to be with you, you might see her value in a whole new light. Just 1 minute of anger can suppress your immune system for hours, something to keep in mind the next time you feel frustrated. It's a beautiful thing to have someone who genuinely wants to know everything that's on your mind, no matter how trivial it might seem. The right man loves you fully and unconditionally. He shows consistency, commitment, and no distractions, just you. If you come across someone who stands by you despite your flaws, hold on to them. It's rare to find someone who is willing to look past imperfections. A woman feels happiest when she knows she's cherished and valued, not only in private, but in front of everyone else as well. A true man doesn't need to seek out a new woman every night. He finds joy in loving and cherishing the same woman throughout his life. When people share a common interest in music, especially in romantic settings, it can strengthen communication and help relationships last longer. Psychology suggests that women who wear minimal makeup are often seen as more genuine and authentic in their personalities. Perfection is an illusion. If you cut people off for their minor flaws, you might find yourself alone. So embrace others with love, not judgment. Couples who regularly enjoy light-hearted activities together, like watching romantic comedies, tend to feel more connected and intimate with each other. A woman's heart is not won by grand gestures alone. It's the small, thoughtful acts, like remembering her favorite things, that truly make her feel loved. Trust doesn't happen overnight. It's built over time through consistency, honesty, and understanding. Sometimes the best relationships are the ones that start out as friendships. When you already know and trust each other, love has a stronger foundation. Every relationship goes through ups and downs. The true test of love is how you both handle the tough times, not just the happy moments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel.